My name is Jennifer Correa, and I'm a principal at ARG Conservation Services. The Arts Commission was our very first client in 2001.
My name is Grace Weiss. I'm the project manager for the Civic Art Collection, which is managed by the San Francisco Arts Commission.
The Arts Commission's purpose is to support the vibrancy of artistic and cultural life in the city of San Francisco.
The Mechanics Monument's history is very impressive.
The bronze that was used in that time, it's so well made.
It was unveiled in 1901. So it was in this original site at the time of the 1906 earthquake and fire, and the Mechanics Monument is the only thing standing.
For so long, the downtown environment was largely thought of as a financial center.
The monument as we know today has actually moved throughout Market Street 3 times until the early 1970s, where it was installed where we currently know it as the Mechanics Monument Plaza at the corners of Market, Battery, and Bush.
What first led me to a career in preservation is, how do you know you're in San Francisco? There's these unique, kind of very localized monuments that just let you know you're in a place.
The last time we underwent a treatment of this scale on the Mechanics Monument was about 2013, so it's time for a full kind of refresh.
So we are doing a wax treatment, which requires you to heat up the metal surface so the wax can penetrate and create a protective coating. We're just heating up the metal so that when the wax is applied, it melts and goes into the pores of the metal.
Monuments in general are an important aspect of who we are as a culture. Like the arts, they tell us who we are, who we were, and who we aspire to be.